channel. Today I'm gonna do some quick and easy curly hairstyle for the spring that's coming up. So yeah, these are really quick, so I'm not gonna do them perfect, but at least you'll get the picture of how they should look like. I have a lot of split ends, so please do not come for me. Just enjoy the video and enjoy the cute little hairstyles. It's not for the first look, it's just gonna be a basic look. It's just gonna be a high top knot bun, just quick and easy. Sometimes I like to leave my curly hair out. I pin it just a little bit, but I leave most of it out. But yeah, so I'm just gonna gel it just a little bit. I usually do edges with this look, but just for the purpose of this video, I try to make it really quick. So yeah. But girls, don't forget your edges. Yeah, so now for the second look, it's gonna be more of a half up, half down kind of look. So the same kind of concept of a top knot on the top and just leave your curly hair out in the back. And again, like I said, you can add edges to every look that I will be doing. Just again, for purpose of the video, I'm just making it very, very quick and easy. Yes, girl, come through. So cute. Don't forget to spray your hair. Keep it curly. But yeah, for this third look, I'm just gonna separate my hair in two. This is a very quick and easy look that I typically like to do when I go to work, and I just twist out both sides. I leave it wetter in the two ponytails, which I rarely do. Like you will see in the next couple steps, I'll put it in the back in a bun, but that's what I like to do. So you can whether leave it like that or put it in the bun in the back. Slicking just to make it look a little bit better, but yeah. And you can always do it bun, you don't need to leave it out there just like that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna kind of do the same concept. I'm gonna do two twist out on the sides, and I'm gonna leave my hair curly in the back. And also I use argan oil, the mousse foam, the foam mousse, just to leave my hair curly as well. I put a bit of gel, not too much because I don't want it to be stiff. But yeah, maybe I can do a video on how I keep my hair curly. So this is the look. Just to make it look a little bit better, I'm just gonna add some accessories. Play around with accessories because sometimes it makes the look more elegant and not just like simple and cute. Yes, come through. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do, this is honestly my go-to. I'm gonna put my hair in a bag, just a quick pony in a bun. This is my go-to because sometimes you just don't have time in the morning, like you really don't. And wait a second, edges, yes. You see how it made the look so much better? Like it just made it look like 10 times better. When you do your edges, girls, your look just becomes from like 0 to 100 real quick. And definitely like to put it in a low bun as well. Usually I'll leave it poofed out, and then depending how it looks, like right now I have a lot of like split ends, so I'll just put in a cute bun like that. And for the final look, I need a bit of water. So I'm just gonna do another half up, half down kind of look, but more towards the back and not in the front. And yeah, that's it. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, a comment, and see you soon.